Hello. Our next speaker, I guess, the amount of viewers on the YouTube channel said that our next speaker is very famous. It's HAMAHA. Hello, Max. The rules of our online marathon says that we have to speak in English, but I can say "привет" to you. I hope you understand. So it's a veteran trader, 9+ years in experience. By the way, congrats on the ICTC 2025 championship, which you won. And I'm told that you're the first trader in the world whose name was on billboards at the Barcelona stadium.
Hello, Van. Not only Barcelona, in like any stadium, I guess. No, such
Uh,
information I have. So thank you for introduction. Me and I brought you a lot of alpha. Unfortunately, I forgot to take some cigars with me, but no problem. Alpha information about futures market would be today really strong.
Okay, cool. So I'm adding you the screen and vanishing from the translation. I'll wait for Alpha.
Oh, okay.
Do
So
it.
today we'll kill it. So today my topic is futures trading in 2025. It's different. Market is tough. You can't find access, but I will show you some places where you can trade even in these tough and tiny markets. First, you need, and I will be really disappointed if you are still not using this tool, HAMAHA Crypto Screener, where you can watch all charts in one moment, like visual screener, we told. Okay, this weekly chart of whole market. To talk about futures in 2025, need to fast move whole market. We can do it easily in like 1 minute or maybe even less. So January, here we started our year. Market BTC drop it, whole market drop it, and then we got rebounds. Unfortunately, altcoins can't rebounds like BTC to all their highs, but now we need to understand which market we got in past 6 months. So first 6 months, maybe even like 5 months, market was dropping. BNB, Ethereum, Solana, whole market was dropping. And after rebounds, we can't find like access on whole market. How you can make huge percent on your deposit if the market is not moving like it was in past. One of not only the maybe Sui one of the coins where you got 1x. In all other altcoins, there would be much lower income, like 30, 50, 60%. And it would be great if after that rebounds, market and your portfolio would be green. When you got futures market, you can short when the market is dropping. First 6 months was terrible, but for those guys who were shorting such great place like this candle, you were feeling great, or this candle. So trading futures are great in special days. Today I will show you few of those best days in this year. So now we're still checking the whole market, where you see there are no access at all, only drop in first 6 months where you can short. You can't short everywhere with leverage, but for instance DOT, when it was dropping 6 till 5, 20-25% drop, depends how to count. This is a great place for short in high leverage. And we in my communities searching for such days, and we're all in such days. Not every day, not every week, even not every month, but when we got such clear setups, this is the best place to be all in. More examples are coming. So also in 2025, we can't find like really good altcoins with utility, with access. All they're dropping, and dropping, like Aptos and so on. It's terrible, it's sad to see that, but what can we do and how we can trade in such circumstances? Even rebounces in such coins like Arbitrum are terrible. It's really terrible. And where we can see less utility in 2025, more upcome we can find. Meme coins showing not bad result. SPX 69,000 showed 2x. It's a rare example where we got really good return in crypto market. Few years ago, 2x's was really funny and it was boring. But now this is a great example where you're really lucky, where you got instrument which moves such fast. All other stuff is boring and not moving. Now I will show you the best days for trading futures. Also, I'm making a lot of trading futures with good volumes. Maybe next time you can call me, I will show you how it works. So uh, let's start with examples of futures, how it looks like in
Max, your devices are not connected. Uh, the community jokes that you've been liquidated. You have to reconnect your devices. The screen is okay, but we can see you and can hear you. Okay. Yes.
yeah,
Now
we're
okay.
connected.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
I missed it like whole point or like last 20 seconds.
No, no, just 15
Because
seconds. I just
okay,
was
no
here.
problem.
It's
Okay,
okay.
so let's talk one more time. When you trade in futures, the most important part you need to understand which market is now. It's bearish or we got a rebound. Here was a great place to go in bullish, but in these circumstances you can only short, and in short you can be profitable. Now we can look more closely. Let's watch fresh example. Fifth, yeah, this day, recently, like few days ago. This is one of the really good days where I and my community trade futures, because like we got clear breakout and we got a lot of liquidations. What was in that day? I will show you. So market started slowly moving to levels. Our K level was like 103, and after like 102, it was like really terrible for guys. Let's watch 103, then 102. We even see a higher volume. So when we see on the higher volume, on the lower time frame, it's like 3 minute time frame. This is a session of that day. Market was slowly coming to those level 103, 102, and here you got a lot of entry points shorting here, 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 with high leverage. This is days we are searching. This is days we are trading. And now lower you can see what was Alicoin doing in those days. It's easy setups, easy days, and it really work. And volume is higher usually in these days. BNB coin, boom, dropping. Solana, perfectly dropping. A lot of places where you can stop close, tiny stop loss, and like nice returns in high leverage, like 20x, 30x was not a big problem in such days, in such periods. Not every day, not every week, but in special days. This was a great short after the clear level where everybody see and a lot of stop losses are lower. And if you understand technical analysis and if you search such days, you will be like feeling nice in such circumstances on the market. Dot. So everything is moving, like especially top like 100 altcoins with BTC. and all charts are almost similar. Next example. January 25 or February 25, February 25. Yeah, this was insanely day. We see really strong, huge level 92. And in a day when BTC was slowly testing it, whole market was so crashed. And if your futures traded, this is one of the best days in the year where you should be like really all in. Market was moving in the day like this. One moment, 25. It was not dropping in immediately. Yeah, 92. You see that on lower time frame, uh, candles were holding closer, and after they broke 92, BTC came to 97, and altcoins were doing like this, dropping, and for instance, you got this drop, this movement, you can retest, come second time, come third time. So it's like day trading started really great in these days. You can like take momentum, exit, reshort, exit, reshort, exit every time, because new levels are coming, price movements are great, and the market works clear, moves clear, and giving money for those professionals who wait for such situations. Really great day, really great example, and it was easy to make money on futures in that day. Second example, 25, oh, 6. April 6th, yeah. April 6th, yeah. This was a good day too. We got clear level on BTC. Now you should be starting understand markets like I was talking. Really huge, nice technical level. And when it was dropping in this day, whole market was really predictable. And all movement, especially in BTC, was so clear, so beautiful. Look at these intraday charts in that day. Perfectly. And altcoins were moving really beautiful. This is one of the best days in this year when intraday charts were volatile and beautiful. I love that. And it's so easy to make money shorting, reshorting, adding position, any place, tiny stop losses, big leverage, and you should be profitable if you're doing everything correct. Link. How great is this? I love to watch all charts to receive more experience and understand how can I be better in those days next time. Litecoin. Great charts. All altcoins move similar. Market is really connected, especially top 100. Great. And probably last example, because I don't have a lot of time, unfortunately. It was August 2024. Let's watch what we got that day. Okay. So everything like before. We got clear level here, we got clear level here, we got multiple levels here. And when market is dropping after like 55, how it was moving? 55. It dropped till 55. Then we got ask, we got resistance, and this resistance was great to be in short. First momentum, then re-enter second momentum. Two great short opportunities in one volatile day. And altcoins were doing all similar. And this is a great day to be in futures, high leverage trading, where you can make a lot of money. So we should remember that futures not for every day, even not for every week, but in few times in months or rare, it brings like really great days. You should watch Bitcoin levels, and when it drop a lot important levels which everybody see, where a lot of liquidations, you will have really easy day for day trading in futures, where you can be all in. I can show this for hours, but I'm not sure if Ivan will let me do that. How much time do I have, Ivan?
I would tell that whatever you want, but I think that we have to finish. By the way, we can talk on the separate stream. You're always welcome on Incrypted YouTube channel and offline and online. So if you have like 5 minutes after the stream, so don't leave the stream because you're the final speaker. I will have closing words, and then we can talk a little about our separate stream. Okay.
Okay, I will be here.
Okay. Thank you.